So guys, for the first step, you want to go to Google and then type in Visual C++. You want to go to the website by Microsoft Learn. Click on this right here. And now once we're here, you just want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads for x86 and for x64. You want to download both of them. So click on both of them. They're now going to start downloading. Once they've been downloaded, just right click on one of them and then click on Show in Folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. You want to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. It's now going to start installing. Just wait for this. Once that's been done, you can now resolve this. For the next one, x86, double click on it. Once this comes up, tick the box, I agree, and then click on Install. And then click on Yes. It's now going to start installing, and then click on Close. For the last step, just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.